Bafana Bafana head coach has announced his squad for the FIFA World Cup preparations between the 23 of March to the 11th of April. So Bafana will play Panama in 2 friendlies. So here's the squad that Hugo Bros has called for these preparations. Ronan Williams, Ricardo Goss, Sipho Chain, Ronaldo Lena, Darren Johnson, Khudiso Mudau, Oluwethu Khanya, Diano van Rooyen, Thabang Matiludi, Vuyo Letlapa, Tylon Smith, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Aubrey Mudiba, Khulumani Ndamane, Ime Ocon, Samkelo Kabini, Mbekezeli Mbokazi, Teboho Mokoena, Jaden Adams, Talente Mbatha, Ndamulelo Maphangule, Mthetheli Mthiyani, Luke Leroux, Siphephelo Sithole, Bongokuhle Hlongwane, Oswina Police, Tshepang Moremi, Evidence Makgopa, Lyle Foster, Ikrem Reyners, Relebohile Mofokeng, Themba Zwane, Patrick Maswangane, Yanela Mbuthuma, Kabelo Sibilebile, Mohau Nkotha, Thapelo Morena, and Thapelo Maseko. Those are the players that Hugo Bros has called. As usual, the squad has been dominated by Orlando Pirates and also Mamelodi Sundowns players. And there's no Kaizer Chiefs player that has been called to this squad. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this squad that Hugo Bros has called? Do you think that it's a good enough squad? And in other news, German Bundesliga side RB Leipzig has announced a friendly match against South African giants Mamelodi Sundowns in South Africa at Lucas Masterpiece Moripe Stadium in Atteridgeville, Pretoria. Leipzig confirmed a friendly match as part of their end-of-season tour to South Africa. The game has been scheduled with a kick-off of 8 o'clock. This marks RB Leipzig's first post-season tour to South Africa. So here is what Johan Plant, RB Leipzig general manager, said. South Africa is a particularly exciting football market and a culturally impressive destination for RB Leipzig and the Bundesliga. The passion with which football is lived here fits perfectly with our goal of inspiring people around the world with our intensive and attacking style of play, as well as our football as a whole. And Mamelodi Sundowns ambassador and former captain said, "We look forward to welcoming a formidable side like RB Leipzig to Pretoria in South Africa, having captained Mamelodi Sundowns against FC Barcelona in South Africa in 2018. I personally know players will be competitive." That's what Hlompo Kekana said. So the South African tour that Leipzig will take place between the 26th to the 30th of May. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this match between Leipzig and Mamelodi Sundowns? And that's the end of the news for today. See you next time.